There are three kinds of people in the world. Those who watch things happen, those who make things happen, and those who wonder what happened. Welcome to you all to the third video on soft skills and personality development. Today we are going to talk about the second category, those who make things happen, and definitely the people who are endowed with good self-esteem, they belong to category number 2, that is those who make things happen. So what is in the agenda for today? Today we are going to initially begin with what do we understand by self-esteem, then high versus low self-esteem, what is the difference between the two, what are the advantages of good self-esteem, and finally how to increase your self-esteem. आज हम बात करेंगे कि सेल्फ एस्टीम है क्या, आप उससे क्या समझते हैं, सेल्फ एस्टीम के एडवांटेजेस क्या क्या हैं और आप अपनी सेल्फ एस्टीम को बढ़ाएं, मगर बढ़ाएं कैसे, उसके बारे में कुछ अलग टिप्स की भी बात हम लोग करेंगे. So let us first understand what do we mean by self-esteem. Self-esteem is basically the respect which you give to your own self. वह सम्मान जो आप अपने व्यक्तित्व को देते हैं. कोई दूसरा मेरे विषय में क्या सोचता है, पूरा संसार मेरे विषय में क्या सोचता है, मेरे सगे संबंधी और मेरे मित्र मेरे विषय में क्या सोचते हैं, उससे पहले महत्वपूर्ण है कि मैं अपने आप के बारे में क्या सोचती हूँ. क्या मैं मेरे व्यक्तित्व को वह सम्मान और प्रतिष्ठा दे पाती हूँ जो कि मुझे देनी चाहिए. सो लेट अस ऑल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय सेल्फ एस्टीम. It is the way we see and think about ourselves. And how is it made? It is made up of all experiences and interpersonal relationships you have had in your life. How many times we happen to meet several people in our lives, right? And how many times they keep on passing one remark or other remark about us. You are friendly, you are cordial, you are stupid, you are boring, you are fabulous as far as your energy is concerned, and how many times that remark simply stays in our memory. How many times we get swayed by that remark. We start considering and evaluating ourselves as per the evaluation of another. दूसरे ने मेरे विषय में क्या कहा वह मेरे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बन जाता है और मैं अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज़ को उसके अकॉर्डिंग आंकने लग जाती हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि निश्चित ही मेरे पास ज़्यादा दिमाग है या कम दिमाग है, या मैं मोनोटोनस हूँ या मैं बोरिंग हूँ या मैं इंटेलिजेंट हूँ. सो बेसिकली इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ ऑल द इंटरपर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस विच यू हैव हैड इन योर लाइफ. Everyone you have ever met or have been able to meet has added or taken away something from how you see yourself. How many times you might have seen that you consider yourself as an individual who is brimming with more and more energy, with more and more enthusiasm. But one negative remark of somebody simply creates a vacuum in your life, simply starts affecting what do you perceive about yourselves. Right? And therefore it is not having low capacity or high capacity. Basically it is our perception which starts changing, and with perception we start considering ourselves as an empowered individual or we start considering ourselves as weak individual. So self-esteem, every individual whomsoever we have been able to meet with, that person has simply added or simply subtracted our evaluation about our own self, right? And therefore it is very important, am I able to give due respect to my own self, to my own identity, to my own individuality, which may be different from others, but yes, that is my own identity and I should be respecting that all the time. Next, let's understand what are traits of high self-esteem. The people who are very good with their self-esteem, what are their characteristics? Let's have a look at that. They like to meet new people in their life because they are never scared of others' opinion. They are never scared of whatever other people think about them. and therefore because they are confident, they have conviction in their own capacities and abilities, therefore they always look forward to meet new people. If we have a look at all successful people, or if we have a look at good entrepreneurs, or if we have a look at all those people who have been able to achieve greater miles in their lives, simply all those are the people who are full of this self-esteem because they are always welcoming the opportunity of meeting other people. They don't worry about how others will judge them. दूसरे उनके बारे में क्या निष्कर्ष निकालेंगे और दूसरे उनके बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, उससे उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. डेफिनेटली आपको दूसरों की ओपिनियन सुननी है, और अगर वो पॉजिटिव क्रिटिसिज्म है तो उसको देख करके अपने में कुछ चेंजेस भी लाने हैं. लेकिन हर समय कोई आपके विषय में नेगेटिव रिमार्क पास कर रहा है और अगर आप बार बार उससे इन्फ्लुएंस होते गए, डेफिनेटली यू विल बी डिक्रीजिंग योर ओन सेल्फ एस्टीम. देयरफॉर ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट ऑल दोज पीपल हु हैव हाई सेल्फ एस्टीम, दे डोंट वरी अबाउट हाउ अदर्स जज देम और हाउ अदर्स पास अ रिमार्क अबाउट देम. They have the courage to express themselves, because once I have belief in my own capability, once I have trust in my own potential, then definitely I don't get scared in expressing my own views. I have firm belief that whatever I think, that is genuinely honestly my own thoughts, and they are never scared of putting it across other people. They are always inviting positive opportunities, because suppose if you happen to meet a dull person, if you happen to meet somebody who is energetic, if you happen to meet somebody who has conviction in his own belief, then definitely more and more opportunities such a person is going to attract. Their lives are enriched with new encounter. They do not want to remain with that standstill in their lives. They don't want to remain stagnant. They are always looking for new opportunities. They are always looking for more possibilities. Because the easiest way of life is that you simply go on the way as life is giving it to you. But the challenging people, the enterprising people, and the people who have good self-esteem, they always like to have something challenging in their life. They always welcome some new opportunities. They also meet new ideas with interest. कोई भी अगर कोई नया आइडिया उनसे शेयर करे, they always welcome this opportunity. They always love to listen to such a person, and they always try to contribute in that also. Next, let us understand what are the characteristics of people having low self-esteem. So, number one is they don't believe in themselves and see themselves failing before they begin. Before they start working on something, they just perceive in their mind that maybe as I am a weak individual, maybe as I don't have enough capabilities, I am not going to succeed in this particular venture. I am not going to succeed in this particular endeavor. So, all those people who have low self-esteem, they always consider that we are going to fail in this particular enterprise. And that is the point from where I should say that their failure really begins. Because once you have thought it in your mind that you are not a capable individual, you are not a strong individual, automatically you start ascending the ladder of failure. Second one point is that they have a hard time forgiving their own mistakes and make themselves pay the price forever. All of us are aware that life is very complicated. It is a complex thing. It is not a bed of roses. Everyone meets one or other failure in life, but the people who are capable, they always have resilience. They always bounce back. They always stand on their own feet. And therefore, the people who are having low self-esteem, they always have a hard time in forgiving their own mistakes. They are never able to excuse themselves. They always think that yes, probably they have committed some kind of error, and always they are going to pay the price for it. They believe they can never be as good as they should be or as others, and are dissatisfied with their lives. So all the time, पूरे समय वो क्या करते हैं, अपनी इंडिविजुअलिटी को किसी दूसरे से कंपेयर करते हैं, अपने पीयर्स की तरफ देखते हैं, उनसे अपने आप को कंपेयर करते हैं, और उससे क्या जनरेट होता है, उससे ईर्ष्या जनरेट होती है. वह ईर्ष्या जिससे कि ना तो उनका लाभ होता है ना दूसरे का लाभ होता है. Therefore, we will have to keep it in mind that definitely we are supposed to look at others. We are definitely supposed to compare ourselves with others, but that should be taken up in a positive spirit and not in a negative spirit. As soon as I start comparing myself with some another individual, and as soon as I start considering myself an inferior entity, definitely I cannot progress in my life. They are afraid to show their creativity because they think they will be ridiculed and therefore spend most of their time alone. Such people even are deprived of any friends in their lives. Why? Because they have never trusted their own capabilities. They always think that maybe I have a new idea, maybe I have some novel concept, but still they are always scared of sharing it with other people because they think that they will be derided by others, they will be ridiculed by others. दूसरे लोग उनके इस नए विचार को सुनकर के उनका मजाक बनाएंगे और इसीलिए वो कभी अपने विचारों को दूसरों तक प्रेषित भी नहीं कर पाते. They complain, criticize and worry about everything but do nothing in their lives. So they are always dissatisfied with everything in their life. You talk to them about weather, they are dissatisfied. You talk to them about their family surroundings, they are dissatisfied. You talk to them about their own individual life, they will be dissatisfied. You talk to them about their workplace, they will be dissatisfied. They will be complaining, grumbling about everything in their life and still they won't contribute a single action to improve upon the current state of affairs. वो करेंगे कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ complain और complain करेंगे. So these are all traits of people who have low self-esteem. Now let us understand what are the advantages of good self-esteem. If you are equipped or if you have good self-esteem, then how is it going to benefit you in your life? First one is that you won't be submitting to peer pressure. These days we have been hearing a lot many things about this peer pressure. कितने ही बच्चे हैं जो इस peer pressure के प्रभाव में आकर के अपने जीवन में आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते और अच्छा नहीं सोच पाते. So let me say it to you that if you are equipped with this good self-esteem, you will never be succumbing to that peer pressure. And believe me, rather sometimes if you are competing with maybe that another individual or with your own self, then that will be giving you an opportunity to excel in any field. Number two is that they are not a threat to others. They are always very good as far as their self-confidence is concerned. They are always willing to try new things in their life. They always try to explore new possibilities. They always try to venture into something which has not been explored by others. They appreciate life because as we all know, life is a precious gift. जीवन वह एक अमूल्य धरोहर है जो हम सभी को दी गई है और हम सभी को उसका maximum utilization करना है. Therefore, all such people, they consider life as a gift given by Almighty. All such people try to change the bad in their lives. If they have certain weakness, they always try to improve upon that. If they have got certain strength, they always try to work better on their own strengths. They become leaders to others because all such people are able to cast that positive influence which should be casted, and therefore they turn out to be great leaders in their lives. They accept failure, but they accept failure simply in terms of learning a lesson from it. जीवन में विफलता किसे नहीं मिलती. जीवन डेफिनेटली एक चुनौती है और हमें बहुत बार ऑब्स्टिकल्स मिलते हैं, बहुत बार हर्डल्स मिलते हैं, बट एवरी टाइम वी आर सपोज टू लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम दैट. सो ऑल दोज पीपल हु आर एंडाउड विद गुड सेल्फ एस्टीम, दे ऑलवेज ट्राई टू लर्न अ लेसन फ्रॉम दैट फेलियर एंड सिंपली दे नेवर गिव अप. सो दैट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ऑल दोज पीपल हु हैव गुड सेल्फ एस्टीम. नाउ हमने समझा कि सेल्फ एस्टीम क्या है, लो सेल्फ एस्टीम और हाई सेल्फ एस्टीम क्या है, एडवांटेजेस क्या है. तो आइए अब हम सीखते हैं कि सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस को बढ़ाना कैसे है. राइट, हाउ टू इंक्रीज योर सेल्फ एस्टीम. So I would advise you to go through one of the book which has been written by Nathaniel Branden, and the title of the book is 6 Pillars of Self-Esteem, where he describes 6 points which if you are able to inculcate or imbibe in your life, you will be having a very good self-esteem. But here are few points which I have jotted down for you. Number one is identify with people, books, videos that build your self-esteem. How many times you must have experienced in your life that when I meet this particular individual, I become full of energy. I start aspiring for something new in my life. Whenever I read this book, maybe tough times don't last, but tough people do. Whenever I read this book, I happen to be full of energy. So try to identify such people, such books, such videos which instill that confidence in you. Number two is think positively and dress well. Does it have its own role? Definitely, because life is all about thinking positive, and if you get yourself dressed in a proper fashion, then definitely you will start having a respect for your own individuality. You will start falling in love with yourself, and self-love is utmost paramount thing in life. Third is set and achieve easy goals. Right? Set some such goals for you which you can easily achieve. And once you achieve them, never forget to pet your own self. Yes, I have been able to achieve that. Clap for yourself, right? And that will be giving you more confidence to set some another tough goal and to achieve that. Eat a proper diet and take adequate rest. Believe me, skimping your own rest is going to take a toll on your life. Therefore, it is very important that we should be having proper diet and we should be sleeping for proper time. जैसा खाए अन्न वैसा रहे मन, इसीलिए हमारी डाइट भी उतनी ही महत्वपूर्ण है. Act as if you possess all these traits which you are aspiring for. Never say that I do not have this, or I am lacking with this, or I have a lacuna of this and this. Always think that yes, maybe I am a bit low, maybe that I do not possess it at the moment, but very sure, very shortly, I am going to achieve this in my life. Observe people with good self-esteem. उन लोगों के साथ में रहिए जिनका खुद का सेल्फ एस्टीम बहुत अच्छा है, क्योंकि वो आप में उस सेल्फ एस्टीम का संचार कर पाएंगे. Handle things one at a time. Though I believe this is a very difficult task in today's competitive and challenging world. But let me tell you that if you are multitasking, then definitely you are not able to focus on one single thing in your life. And therefore, it is very important that we should be catering to that particular thing. We should be very focused and we should be plunging our entire energy to accomplish that task in a proper fashion. Next is use criticism constructively. How many times we just get depressed or dejected with the criticism of somebody? Please remember, if it is a positive criticism, it is meant for you. But if it is a criticism to deride your capacity, to deride your potential, then simply turn a deaf ear to that. आप मत सुनिए किसी को अगर वो जानबूझ करके आपकी निंदा कर रहे हैं, अगर वो बिना बात के आपकी निंदा कर रहे हैं. और इसीलिए अगर वो पॉजिटिव क्रिटिसिज्म है तो सोचिए कि मैं किस तरीके से इम्प्रूव कर सकता हूँ. Ask for help and share your skill with others, because life is all about giving somebody something and taking something from somebody. And therefore, it is very important that you should be sharing your own skill with all other people who are there in your surrounding. Practice your talent and learn new things, because life is all about learning everything new every day. And therefore it is very important कि हर दिन जो आपको मिला हुआ है उसमें आप कोशिश कीजिए कि मैं कुछ नई चीज़ सीखूं, मैं कोई नई चीज़ सीखूं और उसकी प्रैक्टिस करूं. Right? Having that attitude in your life that yes, I am old enough and now I can't learn anything new in my life, that is a misnomer which is going to cost us very heavily. Post self-improvement reminders in obvious places. If you have got some reminders, put them or paste them at some of the places where you can have a frequent glance at them, so that they remain in your memory and you are able to improve upon the things. Last, and I believe the foremost point is, do not say negative things about yourself and reward yourself often. Never say, I am stupid, I have not been able to achieve anything in my life, my accolades are zero, my accomplishments are zero, maybe that I spoiled my life, because whatever you say, simply mind starts considering it as a dictate and mind starts behaving in the same fashion. And therefore, it is very important that we should be saying positive things about ourselves ourselves, because if we say positive, our mind will stay positive, we will be filled up with more and more energy and enthusiasm, and we will be having a respect for our own identity. Therefore, please practice this self-esteem, and let me guarantee that the self-esteem is going to bring that wondrous change in your life which you, I and everybody is aspiring for. Happy learning to you all.